Now it's late, 4 a.m. Can't reach you. If I could turn back time and make you stay, maybe then I would still be near you. You're out of my life. It cuts me like a knife. I'm wounded and it hurts since I can tell you you're out of my life. What day you hurt me like. And now it's too late, too late, too late to say I'm sorry, sorry. It cuts me like a knife. I'm wounded and it hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Since I can tell you you're out of my life. One day you have to die. And now it's too late, too late, too late to say I'm sorry, sorry. I can't believe she's gone. I can't believe that we are not together anymore. Something in her eyes I've never seen before, that took me by surprise when she said I'm not in love anymore. Oh baby, I keep holding on, can't let go. Please let me know. Oh, why does it rain? Why does it hurt? Please God explain, 'cause I don't understand. Love made me fly, now I just cry. Please tell me why. Oh my baby, why does it rain? Whoa, oh my baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I keep holding on, can't let go. Please let me know. Why does it rain? Why does it hurt? Please God explain, 'cause I don't understand. Please tell me why. Why does it rain? Why does it work? 'Cause I don't understand. Love made me fly, now I just cry. Please tell me why. Why does it rain? I saw her last night, standing in the crowd, and in a sudden flash of blue, I was blinded. And though everything was moving, my whole world came to stop. Now I need to know is no ordinary cross. If I have to, I'll go halfway